Want to create free AI videos longer than 2 to 3 minutes instead of just 8 or 15 seconds? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to generate long, cinematic 4K quality videos while keeping the same character consistency, smooth scene transitions, and a highly professional, perfectly coherent style from start to finish.
First, we start by creating the script. For this example, I chose to make a 3D animated Pixar-style video. Simply take any 3D image you like from anywhere and upload it here. Then give ChatGPT this prompt. Now give me a dialogue in the same style as this image between a mother, father, son, and daughter. The topic I want is write your topic here. After that, you'll get a long dialogue that will later turn into a professional animated video. To avoid making the video too long, I will only produce a part of it. Then, in ChatGPT again, type, "Give me a storyboard for the first 20 lines of the dialogue in 3D animation Pixar style or Disney style, soft lighting, high detail textures." This will generate images that keep the same characters and style consistency. Then, download those images and copy the 20 dialogue lines we created. Next, go to the website Utopia.ai and click Get Started. Log in with your email and this interface will appear. Then click New Project.
As you can see, we currently have 960 credits. Before, it used to be 2,000, but now new accounts start with 960 credits. I'm not sure if this will stay the same in the future. After that, upload your storyboard and paste the 20 dialogue lines. You don't need any extra descriptions or prompts. If you want even more professional results, you can add extra details, but it's optional. Here, choose the aspect ratio you want. And here, if you want to add new characters that were not in the storyboard, you can do that as well. From here, you can choose the video duration. It can go beyond 2 to 3 minutes, but honestly, it's better to leave it on auto because the AI usually creates more professional pacing automatically. If you manually force a long duration while the dialogue is short, the characters may speak too slowly with awkward pauses. But if your video is mostly animation scenes without much talking, setting the duration manually can work better.
Once your settings are ready, click this arrow button. After a short time, the AI will generate these character previews for your video. Focus only on the quality and consistency of the characters. If you want to change anything about a character, simply type the changes down here below. When you're satisfied with the characters, click Continue so the AI can finish generating the scenes. Then it will generate all the shots used in the final video. You may notice some images that don't look perfect individually, but in the final animation, everything becomes smooth and coherent. Then click Generate Video, and you'll get a cinematic animated video like this one.
Everyone come here.
I am very hungry today.
Me too. I want the biggest sandwich. I am always hungry.
Here you go. One for you, one for you.
Wait, where is my sandwich?
I put it right here.
Huh? Maybe Dad ate it.
Hey, that is not funny.
Eh? No, really, it's gone. Look, what is that on the chair? Is that a cat?
Oh, it's a tiny kitten.
It is so small and white.
Where did it come from?
Maybe it came from outside. It is looking at me.
Be gentle. It's scared.
Hello, little cat. Can we keep it, please?
From here, you can also upscale the quality to 4K and download it easily. As you can see, the final result looks highly professional, with smooth consistency between characters and scenes. All of this without paying for a subscription. Of course, if you subscribe, you can generate even longer and more advanced videos.
With this tool, you can create almost any kind of animated AI video you want. And for those asking about the subscription, you can subscribe from here. And these are the current prices available right now.
If you enjoyed this video and want more professional AI filmmaking tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you never miss the next upload. In the next video,
I'll show you how to automatically generate more than 100 consistent images and video scenes while perfectly preserving the same characters, style, and cinematic quality from start to finish. See you in the next one.